Oh my word. I've never felt so sick on the ride before in my life. He's pulp. He's with my bare bottom. It's day one of my Dutch road trip and I'm with my trusty car, Madge, my companion for the week. First up is Duinrell, a campsite, a theme park and a water park. Let's go. So we're hitting 5 parks in 5 days. Efteling, Toverland, Walibi Holland, Slagharen, and today, day 1, Duinrell. This frog appears to be the mascot. Let's call him Crazy Frog for that annoying song. Crazy Frog. You're going to get bored of that joke quickly. And so am I. This is the aqua slide. It's got water, a little bit of water. Oh, crikey. Looks quite fast. The aqua slide was fun, fast, it's quite tall. Got a little bit wet. Good fun. It's like some kind of mini frog area. Howley's having a nap. There's a mini cute pirate ship. Ship ahoy. Great for the little ones. It's a little do-it-yourself drop tower. There's a little raft you have to pull yourself across the little river with. I love these rides where you have to do it yourself. Keeps you active. Frog catapult, that was good fun. I think my weight helped me go flying off that end bit in the ramp in the splash. Didn't get wet. Really good fun, never been on one of them before. Gonna go in the little fairy tale forest. They love a fairy tale forest in the Netherlands. You're gonna have to tell me in the comments what that fairy tale is. There's a duck with a baby and they're squirting water at you. Little mannequin piss. He's pulped. He's been a naughty boy. Ow. It's Donkey Booze Gold. Got one of these Efteling. This one's the boy at the giant tree table. He's got a beard, not much of a boy. You're gonna have to help me out in the comments. It's kiddie coaster time, coaster cred time. I won't even embarrass myself trying to pronounce that one. Yeah, I shamelessly ticked off the frog coaster because you just have to. And it's its last year of operation, I believe. It's surprisingly fast. It's in my little frog seat, getting thrown about a little bit, left to right. It's good fun. Could have done with 2 laps. I'm gonna try and murder it. Kitterpan. This flume's great. It has one boat that has a roof on it, so you don't get wet. And then the alternate boat has no roof, so you get wet. It's called Splash. We're opting for the open boat version. Hope that isn't a life choice I regret. Not too bad, only a little splash. Good first drop. And then you get another little splash under the bridge where the waterfall is. Definitely go on that again. It's a nice day. I'm going to dry off. There are the people that cheating, going in the covered boat. It's a nice day though if you're from England. Okay, gonna go and check out Mad Mill. It's a bus frisbee. Not done one of them before. Theming around it's pretty good. This giant ass mill behind it. I'll see you on the other side. I did well not to throw up on Mad Mill. Oh my word. I've never felt so sick on a ride before in my life. It took all the controlled breathing. Had to close my eyes. I really thought I was going to throw up in front of everyone and embarrass myself. Anyhow, I survived it. I'm 48. I shouldn't do rides like that anymore. I must learn a lesson. This is Wild Wings. I'm going to skip this after Mad Mill. I think I'm just about recovering from that and I don't want to ruin it because I want to go on the 2 remaining coasters. That guy's going for Britain. It's like a rotating train ride. I've never seen one of these before. I don't think after Mad Mill I could even stomach this. Okay, gonna check out the Toboggan Run. Not been on one of these for ages. I think the last one I went on was at Llandudno in North Wales. This is really cool. I like this. Going for the forest, sand dunes. Open the door around the corner. Got to keep a 25-metre gap. Sharp right. Way. Back on the straight. Bit bumpy on the bum. Way. S turn. Is that what you call them? S bend turn. Brake. Oh, and here's the end. Just on the bobsleigh, that was fun. Zipping through the forest. I think that's my favourite ride so far of the day. There's been no queues for anything, just a little queue for that because the capacity's low, but really great fun. I'm going to give that a B. Water spin is a top spin. I'm not going to risk that after the earlier disaster. It's nestled in the family coaster Dragonfly in a really pretty setting. Got some fountains, but not today. So Falcon's next. The Netherlands' first Eurofighter opened in 2009. It's got a 97-degree drop. That'll definitely wake you up. I love it that it's surrounded by the forest. Let's go and give this a bash. Okay, that was Falcon, short and sweet, 2009. Eurofighter, I didn't feel sick, so that's a bonus. 3 inversions. It's compact, nothing too spectacular, but I like the setting in the woods. Anyhow, great fun. Let's go and try Dragonfly. Okay, so that was Dragonfly, 2009 Gerstauer. Nice little family coaster, very smooth, zipping through the forest. intertwines with the frog coaster in earlier. Yeah, I enjoyed that. Okay, next up's Tikibad, the pool. Opened back in 1984. It was pretty big for back then. 1984, Like a Virgin, Madonna, which harks back to Madge, my car. So I'm not going to film in here, and I'll catch you on the other side. Okay, that's Tikibad done. It's a bit of a weird setup. You've got Tikibad indoors and Tikibad outdoors, but you can't go in between both of them, so you have to pick which one, and you have like a timed entry in it. It's not bad for something that originated in 1984. It's quite crowded, busy in the theme park. Water parks aren't my big thing, but it's it's fun for the family. Lots of slides they fit into a small space. You know, you've got your usual body slides, a few raft slides, lazy river. Weird locker situation at the end though. They've got like entry on one side, exit on the other, but there's quite a lot of them and didn't lock. So I was trying to get unchanged. I was trying to get changed out of my trunk back into my clothes, and I had to keep stopping people trying to enter my locker with my bare bottom. So that was an experience. Crazy frog. Duinrell's first vacuum bin that I found. I know there's more of them at Efteling. It's the Duinrell Express, that's new for this year. Very slow. There's an indoor dark ride section. Reminds me a bit of Roller Coaster Tycoon 2. A little crazy bumper car ride. Love a cheeky arcade.
No idea of the significance of this car. If you know, drop it in the comments.
It's a good new modern arcade. If you're staying at the holiday camp, you could just come in here. I think it's open late. Yeah. I'd love it here if I was on holiday as a kid. I think my favourite ride of the day was Splash. And that one, Mad Mill, was definitely the worst. Ooh. And that was Duinrell. It's not the biggest or flashiest, but it's a great little park. I knew nothing about this place, and it's a theme park, a holiday camp, and a water park all wrapped into one. Loads of families, and it feels full of nostalgia. There's 2 or 3 great coasters. Got some coaster creds. I've learned I can't go on many spinny flat rides as I thought I used to anymore. Anyhow, that's a perfect start to my 5-day Dutch road trip. Tomorrow is Wallaby Holland, where things get a lot more intense with Goliath, Untamed, and the new single rail RMCs Yo Chill and Yo Frill. I might have murdered that pronunciation. So, gonna go and check into our hotel for the night, and I'll catch you on the next video. Please like and subscribe, and please comment if I murdered some of the Dutch names. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye. Time to find Madge.